Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of sentences, specifically the difference between simple sentences and complex sentences. By the end of this video, you'll understand what makes these sentences different and how to use them to make your writing pop. Let's get started. First, let's talk about simple sentences. A simple sentence is like the building block of communication. It has one independent clause. That means it's a complete thought with a subject and a verb, and it can stand on its own. For example, the dog barked. It's short, clear, and gets the job done. Here's another one. She runs fast. One subject, one verb, one complete idea. Simple sentences are great for making quick, strong points. Now, let's level up to complex sentences. These are a bit more, complex. A complex sentence has one independent clause, just like a simple sentence, but it also includes at least one dependent clause. A dependent clause has a subject and verb but can't stand alone. It needs the independent clause to make sense. Example, although it was raining, we went hiking. Independent clause, we went hiking. Complete thought. Dependent clause, although it was raining, needs the independent clause. Subordinating conjunction, although. Let's break it down. In the sentence, although it was raining, we went hiking. The part we went hiking is the independent clause. It's a complete thought. But although it was raining is the dependent clause. It gives extra info, but can't stand alone. The word although is a subordinating conjunction that connects the two. To make this crystal clear, let's compare the two with more examples. Here are several examples of complex sentences, each illustrating the structure of an independent clause combined with a dependent clause. 1. Although she was tired, she decided to finish her homework. Independent clause, she decided to finish her homework. Dependent clause, although she was tired. 2. Because it was snowing, the school canceled classes. Independent clause, the school canceled classes. Dependent clause, because it was snowing. 3. When the sun sets, the sky turns beautiful colors. Independent clause, the sky turns beautiful colors. Dependent clause, when the sun sets. 4. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Independent clause, you will pass the exam. Dependent clause, if you study hard. 5. Since he moved to a new city, he has made many new friends. Independent clause, he has made many new friends. Dependent clause, since he moved to a new city. 6. While I was cooking dinner, my friend called me. Independent clause, my friend called me. Dependent clause, while I was cooking dinner. On the left, we have simple sentences. One independent clause, short and sweet. On the right, complex sentences add a dependent clause to give more context, like why, when, or how something happens. Notice how complex sentences use words like when, because, or which to connect the clauses. So how do you spot the difference? Here's a quick checklist. 1. Simple sentences have one independent clause, no dependent clauses. 2. Complex sentences have one independent clause and at least one dependent clause, connected by words like because, although, since, when, or who. 3. Simple sentences are direct. Complex sentences add depth and detail. Why does this matter? Simple sentences are great for clarity and punch, like in action scenes or bold statements. Complex sentences shine when you want to show relationships between ideas, like cause and effect or extra details. Mixing both in your writing keeps it lively and engaging. To summarize, simple sentences are clear and direct. They contain one clause. Complex sentences provide more detail and can express more complex ideas by combining clauses. So the next time you're writing, think about how you can use both simple and complex sentences to make your writing more interesting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more language tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.